Me just have a touch on them three, So normally when you hear a click sound from the starter, it's a case where this is a solenoid on the starter. It's a case where this I push out the starter. It I push out the pinion gear. This is the pinion gear. As you can see, I use my hand push out this gear. So this is the purpose for pushing out this gear. Because normally it's not locked to the flywheel. The engine spin faster than the starter. If this locked to the to the flywheel, to the engine, it will mash up the starter. And that's one of the symptoms why some starter mash up. Because when the person turn over the ignition, them not let it go in time. So sometimes you find a grinding noise or a click noise. As the car starts, you have to release so it can drop up into it.